Drawing arc. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to draw an arc. You can draw on an existing vector layer or on a new layer on the map. To create a new layer, click on the New Layer option in the Data menu. After entering the layer name in the Open panel and making other settings, a new layer can be created with the Create button. After the layer to be drawn is activated in the Layer box, click the Draw Arc option in the Custom Drawings menu on the top panel. In the panel that comes after choosing the starting and ending points, the created routing shape is used to give the desired shape to the arc. After giving the desired shape to the arc, it is saved in the layer with the Save button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.